4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 24. Here 4 to the power of x taken common. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 24. 4 to the power of x as it is. Here 3 is equal to 24. Divided by both sides by 3, we get 3 1s are 3 8s are 3 3 cancel. 4 to the power of x is equal to 8. 4 we can write it as 2 square to the power of x. 8 we can write it as 2 cube. It is in the form of a to the power of m all to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Therefore 2 to the power of 2 times x is equal to 2 cube. Base same, powers difference, therefore 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to, we get 3 by 2. You have to verify putting the x is equal to 3 by 2 in the above equation. 4 to 3 by 2 plus 4 to the power of 3 by 2 plus 4 to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to 24. 4 we can write it as 2 square to the power of 3 by 2. 2 square to the power of 3 by 2. 2 square to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to 24. Here 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel. 2 cube plus 2 cube plus 2 cube is equal to 24. 2 cube means 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. When you add these three, we get 24 is equal to 24. Hence, our answer x is equal to 3 by 2 is correct answer. Thank you for watching.